Let's talk a little bit about this 2019 Jeep Wrangler that I bought for Air Design SEMA booth. So we started off with a white Unlimited. We got Rancho 4-inch lift kit on it. Once you got the lift on it, we put some 37-inch Nitto tires on it with 24 by 14-inch RVP gloss black rims with the milled edges. Put some Borla exhaust on it. We started off with the interior. We did it with road wire, custom black interior with white thread to give that mean, clean machine look in the Jeep. I tinted all the windows, even the front one, just to give it a really constant look, so it's all blacked out around. We painted the roof gloss white. Also, I put the 10th anniversary Mopar hood on it. It's a lot more aggressive, so now it gives it that more like a Rubicon look. So we've got the Arius running boards on the side. You know, it kind of drops it down, kind of almost gives it like a little side skirt look. We've got the Oracle LED lights with the little daytime rings around it for the DRLs in the front. We've got the blacked out Oracle LED lights in the rear. One of the things I noticed at Air Design's booth is SEMA is very crowded. You've got so many products all around you. So as you come around the corner and you see the Jeep for the first time, what I noticed for myself and talking to all my friends is most of all the Jeeps that I saw at SEMA, you know, they had the racks on the roof or the tops were off, or they had no doors, so they are all like ready for the sand. As Air Designs was really mean looking, it's ready to go to the mall and what like everybody's calling an urban crawler. Now let's talk about Air Design's new products. We've got these brand new fender flares. They're styled after the ATV market. Kind of radical looking for a Jeep. They got a lot of contours on them. They got some fins on them. The cool thing about it is this is an injected material, so we can make it any shape we want. We don't have the problem like the guys are making them out of steel where they're just kind of flat, look like almost a rolled sheet. So this is a brand new space-age material that we've been working on for the last couple of years. And it's given us tremendous capabilities. This new material, we can do anything we want on any product. As our front grille, we can do bigger pieces, and that's a brand new bumper that we did out of this composite material. Encapsulate the worn winch. With this new material, you're gonna see some very exciting designs from Air Design in the future. Let's talk about Z-Road's LED light bar that's on this Jeep. It makes the whole front of this Jeep look really nice. It just covers the whole front, and it makes the Jeep look really mean, because that was probably one of the most exciting parts on this Jeep, was to have the Z-Road, I think it's like a 52-inch light bar that goes across with little 3 or 4-inch light pobs at the bottom. We're filming in on the dry lake bed, so when I got out to look at the front of the Jeep and all the lights were on, and the Z-Road's lights were so bright, even with sunglasses, I had to step back and laugh. When I was building this thing and everybody saw a rendering, they go, "What are you building, a mall crawler?" You put everything together with the, the smoked out windows, all white with some graphics, all the black parts that Air Design has. Now you've got a really mean looking mall crawler or urban crawler. If you want to know more about these products, go to airdesignusa.com.